Here is just an overview of Lab AI Yearbook app, like how to generate this AI yearbook photos. In this app, actually, what I've discovered that in this app you can generate them for free compared to Epic app. So seems Lab app is just doing some kind of promotion where you can generate your AI yearbook photos for free, for maybe for some limited time or so. And then I will just show you how to do it. So, and I think the result is actually a bit better than Epic app, to be honest. And it's also kind of free at this moment. The one thing is that, of course, you just need to watch these annoying ads, but then still, yeah, you can still watch them if you really want to get this yearbook filters. Maybe they're doing that for free just, of course, to get more users and to get more exposure to their app. So that's what it is. So here is the feed. Here's how the app looks like. You can have all these categories. It's not only AI yearbook. All the kind of filters you can discover here. You can also see recommended categories. There are all these top categories which you can discover. Look lab, and then there is your profile, and then there is your feed. So you just, when you create an account, you just land here, and then basically you can easily just tap on yearbook right in the top part. There is like a top part, and then here you can just see some examples what users uploaded recently. And the cool part about this app is that you just need to upload one photo to generate these yearbooks. So let's try to do it. So I can just apply one photo. And then, yeah, unfortunately, you need to watch these annoying ads. And then, yeah, you just upload one photo. You can select your hair and style, and then you can just tap proceed, and then yeah, and then you just need to wait. So there you have it. Then you just have all these kind of photos, which are kind of look like 90s yearbook style, which is going viral right now on TikTok. And this is the photos you will get. And then if you tap on more results, it just asks you to upgrade. So how much does it cost? So it costs you $8 per week, but there is 3-day free trial. So you can already get this, you can upgrade. If you don't like these photos, you can then just cancel. Remember that you need to cancel maximum after 2 days after starting a trial. If you cancel the Apple trial on the 3rd day, you will be, if it's 3-day trial, you will still be charged. So you need just to know that. But then, yeah, there you have it. But they just showed this pop-up. But then I just discovered then actually this is just a pop-up. And then it's still, the photo is still being saved to gallery. So seems it's just like a promotional action, like some sale from them. And then, yeah, then you can just see these photos. And then, of course, there will be a watermark. So that's what it is. There is a watermark available. So yeah, and then that's basically what you have here. So yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, that's the idea of this app. And then if you want to download the full pack, you also can download it, I guess. So yeah, as you can see, you can still download it. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, pretty cool. So you can get it. I don't know for how long they run this promotion. Is it available for free? Yeah, so then I just don't know. Yeah, so that's just what it is. But yeah, pretty cool. I tried it as well in doing an Epic app. And then, yeah, here you have that. And then, yeah, here I just also selected AI Yearbook, and you can check photos. So I paid like $6 for this. And of course, you can expect that AI shouldn't be that good. But here, maybe you just get much more styles, but they're not that good yet. Like Some of the photos actually nice, but some of them are not. And here I needed to upload like 8 photos. And yeah, I think the result is a bit worse, to be honest. But I don't know which AI is more advanced and all of that. But so far, of course, and Photolab is free one. So give a try to Photolab as well. So Epic Photolab, 2 apps to generate these AI yearbook filters. So yeah, that's what it is. That's what you should know. So give it a try.